Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all better be ready because we are doing some gel extensions. So if you're ready to learn how to do your nails at home real quickly, real easy, be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more fun. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a nail video, and this is the set that we're going to be removing. In this video, I'll show you how I prep my nails, glue my nails, and get them ready for my next set. So we're going to move on to the removing, the prepping of the nails, and we're going to jump right in it, adding some dehydrator to the nails. My next step is going to be adding primer to the nails. And finally, I'm going to be adding the Jello peel off base to my nails, and I love that base because it makes it super easy to remove with the dissolver that comes with the nail polish. Love it. If you know, you know. If you need to know more about it, let me know and I'll do a completely different video talking all about it. But at the moment, we're gonna go in each and every nail, and a little tip from me is that you're gonna flash cure each and every nail so there is no flooding or seepage into the cuticle. Nothing like that, ma'am. We want everything to be nice and clean and as perfect as you can. That is what's gonna really help you with your retention. Okay, guys, retention. Yes, ma'am. Even with the peel off base. This peel off base can give you 2 weeks to 3 weeks, depending on how hard you are on your nails. But don't forget to flash cure each and every nail, and you will not have any flooding. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this application. So this is what you should end up with. And of course, we're still gonna do a full cure in the nail lamp, even though we flash cure them because we just need to, mama. We just need to, okay? I'm gonna be using the Opres soft gel extensions structured in the shape square. And we're making sure that each and every nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. Okay, guys, that's very important. Sidewall to sidewall. I would rather go a size up, never a size down. You can always file away the excess, but make sure it's going from sidewall to sidewall. After sizing each and every one of them, I'm going to go in and just customize it a little bit better so they fit my unique cuticles. And there's absolutely nothing better than a GELX application with the structured Opres nail tips. You do have to keep in mind that you will be using a lot more base gel and it can be a little bit more trickier. Also, it doesn't help that I hadn't refilled my base bottle, so it seems like I'm using a lot, but you're gonna have to learn how to gauge how much you need for your specific nail and for the tip that you're using. Landing that nail on a 45-degree angle and getting it to the cuticle, slowly pressing down and allowing the gel to go to the places that it should. If you notice that you don't have enough, just like me, go ahead and scrape it off, clean the nail, and add a little bit more base gel to your tip and try again. And now we are trying it again, and we this time have enough gel that as soon as it reaches the free edge, you want to go ahead and flash cure those babies so they stay in place. And I'm going to be doing that for the rest of my nails, so I'll just let you enjoy this GELX application. Y'all, and just another quick hack, I'm still human. Sometimes the gel doesn't get all the way to the free edge, but I have this little hack for you. I have this little base gel in this liner dispenser container, and I just go ahead and flip the nail over and squeeze in very gently a little bit of base gel until it reaches to the free edge. Pop her in the light, mama, and let nothing ever happen. Okay? Keep that one in your pocket. Never know when you're gonna need it. Now that the claws are on, I do like this square shape, but I'm going more for an almond shape. So I'm going to go ahead and clip each and every corner of my tips and start the filing phase into an almond nail shape. So go ahead and enjoy that. Y'all, let me know in the comments if you guys like shaping. I still feel like I can be better at shaping, but girl, that's something that we just gotta practice on. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And by this time, you should be ending up with something like this. I'm going to be taking my e-file and removing all the shine with my sanding band. I'm using a 240 grit sanding band to remove the shine and preparing this for a light cover of base gel that I'm going to be doing after that. So keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to follow, like, or drop me a comment, and look for the next video, which is going to be the nail art Pride inspired GELX set. So I'll see you in the next one.